Difference between Os.Getenv and Os.Environ.Get. Is there any difference at all between both approaches? They seem to have the exact same functionality.
See this related thread. Basically, Os.Environ is found on import, and Os.Getenv is a wrapper to Os.Environ.Get, at least in Python. Edit, to respond to a comment, in Python, Os.Getenv is basically a shortcut to Os.Environ.Get, since Os.Environ is loaded at import of Os, and only then. The same holds for Os.Getenv.
One difference observed in Python 2.7 and 3.8 between Getenv and Environ. Os.Getenv does not raise an exception, but returns none. Os.Environ.Get similarly returns none. Os.Environ raises an exception if the environmental variable does not exist.
While there is no functional difference between Os.Environ.Get and Os.Getenv, there is a massive difference between Os.Putenv and setting entries on Os.Environ. Os.Putenv is broken, so you should default to Os.Environ.Get simply to avoid the way Os.Getenv encourages you to use Os.Putenv for symmetry. Os.Putenv changes the actual Os level environment variables, but in a way that doesn't show up through Os.Getenv, Os.Environ, or any other slib way of inspecting environment variables. You'd probably have to make a C-types call to the C-level Getenv to see the real environment variables after calling Os.Putenv. Launching a shell subprocess and asking it for its environment variables might work too, if you're very careful about escaping and nork/no profile/ anything else you need to do to avoid startup configuration, but it seems a lot harder to get right.
In Python 2.7 with IPython. So we can conclude Os.Getenv is just a simple wrapper around Os.Environ.Get.
In addition to the answers above, edit, meaning no difference.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.